Do you want to make two images hug each other with the help of AI? And no, we're not going to use Luma AI for this. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. First, we need to go over to Adobe Express. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to follow along with this tutorial. Once you're here in Adobe Express, you need to go on the left-hand side. You will find all these icons. We need to have a white background with two of these images. You can either upload them, or I'm just going to use the media and photos for this purpose. But if you want, you can just go to the upload section and upload two of these images. Now in the media, we're going to click on this photos on the top bar, and you'll find a lot of photos here. I'm just going to choose two of them like this. And we need to remove the background from each of them. And the best part about Adobe Express is that you can remove the backgrounds for free compared to Canva. In Canva, you need a pro version for that. So here, I'm just going to click on one of them. And on the left-hand side, you'll have all these options. I'm going to remove the background. Now resize this by clicking on the corners. Now same for the second image. I'm just going to click, and on the left side, remove the background again. Now again, resize this to fit the screen. As we already have the background white, all you have to do is on the top bar, go on the right side and click on the download button. Just select the PNG, it's best for images, and download. It's going to download this whole image. Now go over to Vidu.studio. This is Vidu AI, this is Vidu.studio. And inside here, you need to go to image to video and insert that image that we have just downloaded. But you can do so by clicking here and selecting the image, or you can also go into your folder where your image is, click it and drag it here, and it's going to upload it. Now, once you have uploaded this image, below it, you will have this text prompt. I've written a prompt here, which says, make them hug each other, and I'm going to generate it. You can also enhance the prompt, but it's not needed because it may create some artifacts. Just create it, and it's going to use 4 credits. You will get 80 credits each month. Now, once the video has been generated, it will look like this. Let's play it. Okay, that was fine, but it did look a little creepy with the third hand coming in. It looks like there is someone else here that is hugging them. So instead of that, I'm going to generate another one, and I'm going to add these text here. Both are wearing white shirt. Now I will create it again, and it's going to take another 4 credits. Now let's click on this play button. And this one looks a lot better compared to the previous one. And now if you find this blurry, you can upscale it from here. And it's going to take in another 4 credits. I'm just going to confirm it, and it's going to go into a queue. And here is the upscaled video. Let's take a look at it. Okay, the blurriness of that video is gone. So overall, I had to spend like 12 credits to make this to work. It is a little expensive considering you get like 80 credits per month for free. And why did I spend 12 credits? Because the first one was glitchy. This one was a little glitchy with the third hand coming in. Then the second one, I made it work. But then with that, I spent like 8 credits. And after that, I had to upscale it. So that spends another 4 credits. And now once you're happy with the result, you can just download it from here. This icon, download, you can download it. It's going to download this video to your computer. And this is how you can create a AI hugging video. You can hug 2 images together with the help of Vidu AI and Adobe Express. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.